Toby! 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 Hey guys, Amanda here with eBike Reviews and Adventures, and we got Toby over there. Look at this beautiful garage. This is what I spent a better part of an hour doing. Yeah, look at how much space is in this garage. It's beautiful. It makes me want to cry. So the whole point of me reorganizing the garage today was because on Thursday we are doing a trike ride. So I had to move all the trikes over here so they're closer to our little charging station that we've got going on over there. So yeah, excited about that. I'm just like beaming at how much space is in this garage right now. It is absolutely gorgeous. What do you think, Toby? Hey, you. Hey, Mr. Man. What you doing? What you doing? Oh, you're sitting next to your trailer. Are you trying to hint at something? What are you trying to tell me? What are you trying to tell me? All right, so give me just a few minutes and I'm going to get Toby hooked up to my Troxus, which is conveniently in the back of the garage, but I can actually just back it up and get it out of here. Whoop, Dad's calling me, so one moment. Anyways, guys, that was Dad calling. He was trying to get a hold of me earlier because he had to leave to run a couple of errands, and while I was inside the house he noticed there was a big dog walking around the neighborhood, and he wanted to let me know so that Toby here didn't go crazy. Yeah, he gets protective of his family members, so, but he's been a good boy, haven't you? Yeah, you've had like an attitude change. You haven't been barking at dogs lately. Hey, yoo-hoo, I'm talking to you. You wanna go for a ride? Oh, yeah, that perked you up. Yeah, it did. You wanna go for a ride? Yeah, you wanna go for a ride? Toby. All right, he's being a little camera shy right now. That's okay. I have my days too. Oh my gosh. All right, it's been a while since I rode my personal bike. But let's do the thing. And it is a gorgeous day. So let's see what's going on in my life right now. My birthday is this week. I don't know how I feel about it. Getting a year older, another year wiser, maybe, hopefully. Don't really have any plans for my birthday. The only thing I can really think of is I have a membership at Barnes & Noble, so I might swing by there and get a discounted book or something. But that's about it. I don't really have any plans for my birthday. I also have my chess club this week is having their first nationally recognized tournament. So that is a huge deal for us. I am in the group competition. So the way we are doing that is we have teams of 4, and each team will get a point based on how many players win their games. So if 3 out of the 4 players win their games in the first round, they get a point. So there's a little bit of pressure there. I'm not playing for myself this tournament. I'm going to be playing with 3 other people that depend on me to bring my A game, and that is exactly what I'm going to try to do. So the rest of this week, when I'm not working on the e-bikes or hanging out in the garage, I'm definitely going to be busy studying chess and practicing chess and playing all the chess. I've at least improved though, that's good. Everyone that I have talked to in the chess club, they have said that I have improved, I've made a lot of progress, and that's really what I care about. don't really care too much about whether I win or lose my games, because chess is just like, you know, life. You make moves and you either win or you learn. That's what I'm trying to do right now. I'm trying to make progress and improvements in every aspect of my life. And actually, while I'm thinking about it right now, I wanted some feedback from our viewers on what you think so far of our videos. I'm trying to increase the quality of our videos by playing around with different angles and throwing in a little bit of music here and there. So I'm just kind of curious about what you guys expect from our videos. When we post a new video, what are you hoping for? Are you hoping for a little bit of background music? Are you hoping for some bloopers at the end? Just give me some feedback so that I continue to learn and grow and keep getting you guys quality content. Because I care about our e-bike community. I really do. I'm grateful that I get to do this every day, and I enjoy what I do too. I really do. There's not a lot of people that can get up in the morning and say that they love going to work, because I don't really go to work. This is a hobby for me, but this is still what I do for a living. I make videos and then I edit them, and oftentimes I'm working for about 8 hours. People don't realize how much work it takes to make a YouTube video. I have been at my parents' house for 8 hours just trying to record a video and having to redo the video, and then I spend a good 4, maybe 5 hours just editing the video. There's been a lot of trial and error figuring out what works and what doesn't work. I know the Toby videos work. You guys enjoy us rambling sometimes about our personal lives, or sometimes you just want to enjoy watching a Toby go for a ride and there's some background music. Today I wanted to do something a little different, just kind of talk in this video. I may or may not put some music on in the background. We'll see. We'll see how I'm feeling about it. Working on making some quality videos. We've got some reviews coming up. I already mentioned my birthday and the chess tournament that's coming up. Oh, I didn't even mention what our team name for the tournament is. Our team name is Nerdvana. Like, if you are familiar with the band Nirvana, that's kind of how I got the idea. I'm looking forward to working together with my team too. That's getting me more and more out of my comfort zone. I recently had another book club meeting that I went to. Never thought that I would join an actual book club, but I did, and I absolutely love it. I've been meeting some new people, and it's been very educational, having a small group of people reading the same book and then talking about it, talking about their ideas and interpretations of the book. And I've been getting a lot of insights from these individuals that I spend an hour every 2 weeks with discussing a book. How you doing, Toby? You living your best life back there? Looks like it. He's got his tongue hanging out, sniffing all the things, enjoying that nice summer breeze. And it's such a beautiful day. Makes me grateful to be alive. I'd like to see where I end up. I'm definitely not where I used to be, and I am extremely grateful for that. And I'm grateful for my dad and his hard work paving the way so that I can be doing these videos for you guys, because I really do enjoy it. I really enjoy seeing all the feedback from you guys, positive or negative. One way or another, it's gonna help me grow as a person. It's going to help me grow as a content creator. And ultimately, it's gonna help you guys out, the viewers, because the more I progress and grow, with this channel. You guys will be getting more quality content. We will continue to get more e-bikes and trikes, so we can do the struggling so you guys don't have to. So I think that's gonna be it for this video. If you liked it, you know what to do. Give me a big old thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We have content for everyone. Always trying to get videos out. Review videos, riding videos, maintenance videos, Toby ride videos. Lots of good content coming your way. And you know, if you see something that doesn't interest you, keep scrolling and come back the next day and we may have something that interests you. So I will see you guys in the next video. As always, ride safe and ride responsibly.